Here's why I just invested $50,000 in ADA.
There's been a lot of chat as of late about various cryptocurrencies and blockchain solutions and more. And honestly, it can get pretty hairy to keep up with all of them and wonder what they're going to be like overall, as well as which ones you need to get involved in if you're wanting to invest and try to make some money off of them. Cardano is the world's first ever academic, peer-reviewed, decentralized blockchain solution, and ADA is the native cryptocurrency that powers that protocol. Many think that it is the future of certain things, but why is that? Allow us to show you how experts reveal why Cardano will easily see $2. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 6. Cardano. Cardano and ADA were created by ex-Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. Charles Hoskinson is yet another pioneer in the cryptocurrency space, working to push overall adoption forward and has played an important role in the early phases of the industry. Although he is heavily focused on Cardano, he is also the director of the Bitcoin Education Project that supports the first ever cryptocurrency. Hoskinson studied math and cryptography at the University of Colorado and then applied those learnings to the projects he has worked on. Cardano is considered to be a third-generation blockchain, different from Bitcoin or that of Ethereum and many others. Cardano uses a programming language that is native to military infrastructure and other high-profile industries, making it extremely valuable and interesting for a variety of sectors. It may also be used to prevent counterfeiting in the future. Cardano was late to the crypto market compared to many others, but the altcoin crypto asset is brimming with innovation, giving it incredible projected growth, which fueled early hype and price growth. Cardano potential is still extremely high, if not higher than before. So thus, hearing things like this, you might ask things like, should I invest in Cardano? Is Cardano a good investment? Or how high will Cardano go? Well, as in all things, it depends. Number 5. How Cardano coin works. Cardano uses a powerful proof-of-stake consensus algorithm called Ouroboros to secure the blockchain. It is uniquely designed to head-on address the scalability issues associated with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other Gen 1 and Gen 2 blockchains. Although it is vastly different, it more closely resembles Ethereum with its focus on smart contracts. However, it claims to offer many advanced features over other blockchains. Cardano takes a scientific philosophy and research-driven approach, and even had its product peer-reviewed by a number of universities before its release. The development team itself is packed with some of the most respected researchers, cryptographers, and engineers. While ADA coin can be stored on a ledger, tracer, exchanges, or nearly any platform wallet, its native wallet is called dataless. The project is supported by the Cardano Foundation, Input Output Hong Kong, Emergo, and a wide variety of partners and universities. Cardano focuses on functional programming, formal development methods, and prototyping to ensure the future of the project is sound. It is also one of the altcoins with the most clear and well-defined roadmap. The Cardano future is bright, and thus you wouldn't be faulted for investing in it. Cardano's supply is capped at 45 billion ADA, with a circulating supply just under 32 billion. The current total supply is 31,948,309,441 ADA with some reserve for important functions. Number 4. The price action. Cardano's first price action was reported in late 2017 and early 2018, so the relatively new altcoin is still well within price discovery mode and trying to find its fair market price and value. This was during the crypto hype bubble of late 2017, which caused the crypto industry to be put on the map and made into a household name. Because the tech has such long-term price potential and hype, the initial buzz, Cardano news, and speculation drove ADA prices from just 2 cents in October of 2017 to as high as $1.33 at its all-time high, set on January 4th, 2018. Investors were left in shock wondering why Cardano is going up. After that, ADA fell to as low as 2.5 cents just recently on Black Thursday in March 2020. The devastating crash rocked all of crypto and other markets, so ADA wasn't spared either. Before that, however, Cardano set a temp low in 2018 at 3 cents and reached the same Cardano value again in 2019 at the deepest low. The high for 2019 was just 10 cents, making it a stagnant year for Cardano. During the bear market, investors were asking, why is Cardano going down, and when will this downtrend finally come to an abrupt end? Cardano's price history? Slightly different on the ADA BTC trading pair. It reached an all-time high at the same time in early January of 2018 at 8,770 Satoshi, the smallest unit of Bitcoin measurement. Just recently, ADA BTC reached a low of just 380 sats. The fall represents over 90% fall from the all-time high peak recorded during the crypto hype bubble and altcoin season that happened at the time. Another altcoin season could be another yet explosive rally and take ADA BTC to a new all-time high. In 2020, Cardano had another massive breakout with the rest of the cryptocurrency industry and is now back in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap to start off 2021. And given all that's happened with cryptocurrencies like it, such as Bitcoin and Dogecoin among others, its value could reach $2 like some predict. Number 3. Price predictions. Cardano is a disruptive, emerging new technology, making the amount of price predictions fewer and further between than many of the other altcoins and crypto assets out there. Using these realistic Cardano price predictions from experts below, we can attempt to determine an estimated growth rate for each ADA coin. Digital coin price. Digital coin price expects downside for ADA, pointing to much lower prices of just 20 cents by 2026. CoinSwitch. CoinSwitch has provided an extremely strong Cardano price forecast of $2 in the future. In 5 years, CoinSwitch expects Cardano to reach over $3. PricewaterhouseCoopers. It is important to note that the support from many major corporations or brands as part of strong Cardano partnerships also acts in a way as a prediction on ADA. While it doesn't assign a price target for the asset, it does show that it has longevity and uses cases that these companies are considering adoption. For example, Cardano signed a deal with the Big Four auditor PricewaterhouseCoopers, also known as PwC. This is a major partnership and a nod of support for Cardano's long-term growth potential. Weiss Ratings. The technology is so powerful it received a higher ranking than that of Bitcoin or Ethereum by asset ratings from Weiss Ratings, based on technology alone. Cardano was among the highest rated out of all crypto assets, ranked next to Tezos as a top performer. Hoskinson's focus on programming and research to ensure the blockchain is viable for any application has paid off in spades by receiving such an esteemed rating. So not unlike many others in the world, there is a bit of a divided opinion. But that doesn't mean you can't invest, it just means that you need to weigh both sides and then see what works best for you. After all, it's your money and only you can decide what to do with it. Number 2. Long-term predictions. Technical analysis is the study of Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, and trading indicators and oscillators. Those powerful tools can assist traders with gaining an edge in markets for day trading, but on longer time frames can help to find long-term price predictions that are made based on pure technicals. Performing technical analysis on Cardano is limited due to the amount of time it has spent trading, but the study applies regardless. Cardano has had an explosive start to 2021 after a long bear market and has found itself a new all-time high. However, a bearish wedge has formed, suggesting a retest of lows or potentially some consolidation before another push to new highs. The high for 2021 probably isn't already in, however, it could go to $2 or more in 2021. Those that don't sell during the consolidation and resulting pullback could be blessed with another rise to nearly $70 per token based on the measure rule and the height of the rounding saucer pattern. Number 1. So should you invest? All of the above long-term price predictions aim to provide investors and traders with a look at Cardano growth and projected value. After years of going down, ADA is ready to increase in price once again and show the true Cardano potential that we all know the powerful asset is capable of. Cardano is also extremely new, which means investors and traders can get in very early still and become among the few that experience the greatest financial upside. But like with other cryptocurrencies, while things might be doing good for a short time, as Bitcoin and others have experienced in recent years, if you stay too long, you'll have an inevitable crash, which Cardano has already gone on via last year's crash in cryptocurrency. What you'll have to do is determine just how much you're willing to invest in this and whether you see the potential that others do. So, what do you think? What do you think of this look at Cardano and how its value might be going up as time goes on? Are you the kind of person who would want to invest in cryptocurrencies and things like Cardano? Or are you more into more basic stocks and tangible money? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you next time on the channel.